Hello folks, today I'm going to show you how to build a simple clock. Well folks, as you can see, I have a lot of clocks. I love clocks, I enjoy clocks. I've made a few, I've acquired a whole lot more. I've got clocks that go back to the middle 1700s, the original Black Forest clocks, before they became cuckoo clocks. I have woodworks. I have 3 woodwork clocks. That was in the early 1800s when we quit buying brass from England, and we didn't know yet how to make brass. So consequently, they made the wheels, the gears out of cherry. I have quite a few mantle clocks, and my latest collecting are the little anniversary clocks. They are the last American clock. So if you guys are ready, we'll go out to the workshop and we'll see what's going on. Okay folks, as you can tell, there's many simple things you can make a clock out of. This is a saw blade with a picture painted on it. All you have to do is drill a hole in the middle, put a movement in the back of it, get you a package of these to put your numbers around it. Or you can do like I did, take one of your wife's favorite plates, make her a clock out of her plate. Drill a hole in the center, and forever, here, every time you sit down to the table, how she has an 11-piece place setting instead of 12. Okay, let's get started. I have 3 different clock faces. Personally, this is the one I'm going to use. What we'll need is a piece of lumber. I got this at either Home Depot or Lowe's, I don't remember which, $2. It's a 1/4 inch by 6 inch piece of aspen. This is going to be the body of it. This piece of scrap lumber I have here is going to be the frame for it. Let's get started. Okay, what we're going to do now, we're going to measure the width of this piece of wood, 5.5 inches. We're going to cut it 5.5 inches long. That will give us a square piece of lumber, a square face. Okay, now we're going to lay this down. I'm going to put my clock face on it to establish my sides and my corners. Okay, what we're going to do now, we're going to take this face, we're going to set that aside, and now I'm going to cut the face out to fit the piece of wood. Okay, now we'll take this and we'll glue this to the piece of wood. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to glue the face on with some general trim adhesive. Now we'll take this out and we'll drill a hole in the center. Now what we're going to do, we're going to cut the 2 sides, and the top and the bottom. Okay, I have the two sides. They go on here like this. Now we're going to cut the top and the bottom. Okay, now we're going to put the top and the bottom on. Okay, now I'm going to put clamps on it and let it dry. Okay, now we're going to put a coat of clear acrylic over the whole thing. Now we're ready to install the movement. This you can get at any arts and crafts store, $8 and change. Okay, there you have it. Let me turn it on and show you how it works. Okay folks, we'll be back next time with another easy project.